to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing shortbread cookies. I love me some shortbread cookies. The problem is they're normally drenched in butter, which if you know anything about vegan food at all, vegans don't eat butter. These are delicious, nutritious. What can I say? Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. We're starting with 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1.5 cups of oat flour, and we're just going to put that in with the almond flour. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we're just going to take our spoon and mix all these dry ingredients together. Now for the wet ingredients, you're taking 3/4 cup of pitted dates, which I have had soaking for a few hours. You'll put that in our blender. 1/3 cup of tahini, which is ground up sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1/3 cup of water. And I am just going to blend all this until it's smooth. This needs just a little bit more water. Just a little bit. I'm just going to pour that right into my blender and get it going again. There we go. That looks good. I am just going to pour this into the dry ingredients. And I'm just going to mix this up until it makes cookie batter. And I'm going to wet my fingers and I'm going to use my hands to get this blended the rest of the way. And then I'm going to divide this into 12 balls and then we'll put it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and we'll go from there. So these will make just 12 little balls. Okay, I have my balls on a baking sheet. I'm going to take the palm of my hand and press those down, make them a little flatter, make them look more cookie-like. This is what they look like going into the oven. They are going into a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes, and we will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you, have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.